Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will continue to learn basic vocabulary to speak Kashmiri. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me once I say the Kashmiri words. Let's get started. Bastur, bastur, backpack, thel, thel, bag, arman, arman, wish, bar, bar, load, dul, dul, lose, गर्मी गर्मी heat सर्दी सर्दी cold रूद रूद rain ताप ताप sunshine obur obur clouds clouds खास करित especially pet pet above bon bon below zoot zoot tall छोट छोट short अफसान अफसान short story नायाब नायाब limited काल 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 in a very short time dor dor durable zoot zoot long. That was it in today's lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.